Chris. I've just done a few video reviews for mygenerator.com.au on some of the generator range they've got for our business, which is Waeco. It's a food van. One of our other passions is camping, and we've got the old girl there, the Turtle. We go away in the camper van with the family, and my generator's now got quite a good range of camping gear, all the way from fridge freezers to box awnings, and the list just keeps expanding. So my latest purchase has been this Waeco. It's a 65 litre fridge freezer. I've got a small angle in our food truck, so we basically bought this to use between the food truck for big events and stuff like that, for meat or drinks or chips or anything like that, and then also use when we go away camping. So I was just going to do a demonstration just to show you what it's like out of the box. I ordered this from the website on Thursday, and it was at my house the next day, so I was pretty impressed with that. It's good, and especially if it's something you need to go away. One thing I did buy this time, which I didn't buy for the angle initially, is the insulated cover. So if we're working or if we're out camping and it's hot, you can set it outside, and it's going to give it a little bit of a extra insulation. Something I have seen on these, which I didn't get, is I've got the understanding you can get some kind of wireless control, so you can have it in your car, in your truck, or anything like that, so you can, check on the temperature of your foods while you're driving. So we don't particularly need it, but I can see it could be handy for people that are travelling more long term. So anyway, I'll get into it. This is the exciting part. So this is just the insulated cover. I've got the angle, a small angle in the truck, and I've only had it for about a year, and it's the outside's quite damaged because we cook with oils, and I suppose going out camping you're going to be using, having them sitting next to your barbecue and that kind of thing. So I think this was a good investment. You can still use it on the fridge and still operate it as usual. So looks like it's got a few of the accessories on there which you can get. So it's got the wireless display, the wiring kit, I suppose that's for a dual battery setup, a battery pack which is separate to your car, I guess, for long-term camping use, and also a solar panel which will run it as well. So I'm not sure the wattage in that, but you can look into that. So it's got a bit of weight to it. It looks like it's got the silver insulation on the inside. It's quite neat. It doesn't sort of add too much size to the fridge, which is good, but it gives it a nice protective outside. And it's just got the lid like that, so for when you're not using it you can close it up completely, keep everything nice and insulated. So I think that was well worth the investment. Alright, so now on to the fridge. It's quite a bit bigger than I thought, because I'm used to just having a small one. So it's always good to see a new product like this. So it's the Waeco CFX-65. I chose the single compartment one over the dual zone one, mainly because I like to be able to use it as just a fridge or just a freezer, so and you're not sort of splitting up the fridge freezer space. So if, in the truck you'll probably use it as a freezer, and you just basically got one basket in there, and you can just fill it right up. Whereas the dual zone, it's might be more suitable for people that are camping, because you can sort of have the two at once, but for our purpose I'd rather just have a fridge or a freezer, so I chose the single zone one. Just rip this box. This is always the best part. There we go, look at that. So, like the angle, I guess it's got the handles on there. You can take them off if you need to put it in a tight space. The front with the digital display, temperature control. Just before we finish up, you've got the cables in there for the 240 volts, 12 volts, cigarette lighter, which is pretty standard. I'll just give you a look inside there as well. So as you can see, you've got quite a big area in there. The refrigeration is probably obviously under there. It's got a nice compressor refrigerator. So there you go, 65 litres of fridge or freezer storage from Waeco. So the reason I bought the Waeco over the Engel is I've seen some quite good reviews, and price wise they're quite reasonable in the bigger ones compared to the Engel. So there it is, the Waeco CFX-65, and yeah, I'll post some more reviews on it soon once we've started using it. So thanks for watching.